small step for space reforms, one giant leap for private sector. June 24, 2021 will be remembered as a defining moment in India's space leadership journey. Because the country that is the largest democracy in the world, having the highest youth population, that is one of the biggest consumer markets, one of the fastest growing economies, the IT hub for the entire world, and a country in the cusp of digital era, chose to usher in the space age. The floodgates to the future of the space sector were thrown open by the Union Cabinet of India to create newer paradigms in self-reliance that we fondly call Atmanirbhar Bharat, and to build the solid foundations for global leadership under our Make in India initiative. The reforms reflect the vision of our beloved, forward-thinking Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who believes space technologies can revolutionize the delivery of governance services and boost developmental efforts. So what's the paradigm shift caused by the space reforms? Private sector participation in the entire range of space activities is allowed, and foreign direct investment or FDI up to 100% is allowed in satellites establishment and operation. Setting up of IN-SPACe to facilitate private sector participation as a single window, independent nodal agency. Enhancing the role of NSIL as the exclusive public sector aggregator for both demand and supply of space assets. Come, explore the opportunity in India's space sector. Become a JV partner with Alpha Design Technologies. Alpha Design Technologies, a prominent private enterprise in space sector in India, invites global leaders as partners to pursue the following operations allowed for private enterprises in space sector: launch vehicle, spacecraft production, spacecraft launch, space services, applications. It's time you took a closer look at Alpha Design Technologies. Alpha Design at a glance. Alpha Design Technologies was founded in 2003. We are one of the fastest growing defense electronics and avionics companies in India, having a strong and credible presence across Indian Armed Forces, ISRO, DPSUs, DRDO and global OEMs. Our core team comprises experienced professionals from premier public sector organizations. Team size of 1,000 plus members, including 700 plus engineers. With a revenue of $54 million or 500 crore Indian rupees and order booking of around $750 million, that is 5,500 crore Indian rupees over the next 5 years. We have acquired unique R&D capabilities in the areas of electro-optics, RF and microwave products, software-defined radios. Alpha Cortas is a subsidiary company of Alpha Design. It is a major supplier of critical machined parts of all operational launch vehicles of ISRO like PSLV, GSLV, etc. for the past 10 years. Alpha Tokol is a subsidiary company of Alpha Design, which manufactures airframe structural assemblies for aerospace industries. Focus areas in space domain: satellites, ground segment products, launchers, critical technologies. In satellites, we are present in all the sizes: big, medium and small. Ground segment: Large Earth Station consisting of Network Management System, Gateway Equipment for Internet Connectivity, VoIP, Voice Telephone, Video Conferencing System, Telemetry Tracking and Command Earth Stations. For launchers, parts made at Alpha Design include cone, medium launcher part and items for PSLV, GSLV, SSLV and launcher manufacture. In critical technologies, products include EO payload for satellites, synthetic aperture radars or SAR, IRNSS, NAVIC applications, portable oxygen concentrators. Facilities. Alpha Design has earmarked in Aerospace Park, Bangalore, futuristic facilities for indigenous manufacturing of space sector products. Investments in infrastructure such as large clean rooms, antenna test facilities, thermovac chamber and other ESS facilities for space qualification of manufactured products are being established. These facilities will serve the requirements for indigenous manufacture of small satellites in a phased manner, initially by making few subsystems and subsequently contributing in assembly, integration and testing, or AIT of the satellites. Projects in space domain. Why Alpha Design? 2 decades of exposure and experience in the defense and space sectors in India, deep understanding of the market and ecosystems, ready skilled manpower, established manufacturing base, a successful system integrator with competence in assembly, integration and testing.
Alpha Design Technologies is a technology-oriented company specializing in research and development and production, manufacture and supply and giving support to the customer after the supplies are made of our own equipment and systems. And today we are in the region of reaching 700 crores this year. And so there has been a path of various successes, of course with lots of challenges, which ourselves as a complete team here with 1,200 people working as a joint family, we have established our own presence in the defense and aerospace field. About 4.5 years back, we started going in a big way to focus on the space activities. And Government of India has been very open, and they have opened up, as you know, the complete foreign direct investment for the original equipment manufacturers from abroad to put their investments here and then to establish production and other capabilities along with the Indian industry. And we are in the process of establishing 3 different joint venture companies with companies abroad. We would like to utilize this opportunity of this great exhibition which our friends from United Arab Emirates have established. It's one of the most beautiful systems that have been done. We offer the services of our Alpha Design Technologies, not only just to sell the equipment. We would like to utilize this opportunity of bringing up the industries in all these countries.
Looking forward, what you can expect. India offers huge markets in satellite-related field. This opportunity needs advanced technologies, attractive payback for strategic investments, opportunities for Make for India, opportunities for Make in India for global markets, stable policies from the government, congenial environment for strategic market expansion. Alpha Design Technologies is looking for joint venture partners. We are interested in partnerships with reputed global organizations with proven track record in space sector related areas. We are open to different modes of association. We assure you of a rewarding relationship any which way you choose. Come, make the next move towards a vibrant partnership with Alpha Design Technologies. Together, we will reach infinity.